In this segment, we're going to show how to remove and replace a control board on a roll solder laminator. You'll need a Phillips screwdriver to take the side cover off and a small screwdriver, Phillips, in order to take out the control board. First, what we do is we have to remove the feed table on the laminator by lifting up and out. We're going to remove the side cover by removing the 4 screws that hold the side cover in place. Remove your side cover. Disconnect the safety switch in the back, and in the front you'll have a ribbon cable that you need to press and remove to get the cover off. To replace the sub-PCB or the controller, there's 2 screws that you'll need to remove from the board in order to remove it. Grab your small screwdriver and remove those 2 screws. Lift out your board. Now you need to take out your new board. Okay, we want to put the buttons back onto the subboard or your control board, like so. Take this, positioning back into the side panel. And replace the 2 screws. Now we need to put the cover back onto the laminator. First, plug in your ribbon cable. Position the handle into the hole. Plug in an emergency stop. Position your cover. Make sure there's no wires hanging up. And now we're going to replace the 3 screws. Now we need to check the functionality of our control board. We need to replace our table. Hook the back of the table to the pins and the side covers of the laminator. Back down. Then we'll go to the back and turn on the laminator. We'll take our speed button and see if our speeds go up and our speeds go down. We will then hit the run button and see if our laminator works, and it's working. And we can check our speed going up, speed going down, stop the machine and check for a reverse, and the rollers are running in reverse.